Course in Miracles, Workbook, Lesson 32. I have invented the world I see. Today we are continuing to develop the theme of cause and effect. You are not the victim of the world you see because you invented it. You can give it up as easily as you made it up. You will see it or not see it as you wish. While you want it, you will see it. When you no longer want it, it will not be there for you to see. The idea for today, like the preceding ones, applies to your inner and outer worlds, which are actually the same. However, since you see them as different, the practice periods for today will again include two phases, one involving the world you see outside you, and the other the world you see in your mind. In today's exercises, try to introduce the thought that both are in your own imagination. Again, we will begin the practice periods for the morning and evening by repeating the idea for today 2 or 3 times while looking around at the world you see as outside yourself. Then close your eyes and look around your inner world. Try to treat them both as equally as possible. Repeat the idea for today unhurriedly as often as you wish, as you watch the images your imagination presents to your awareness. For the 2 longer practice periods, 3 to 5 minutes are recommended, with not less than 3 required. More than 5 can be utilized if you find the exercise restful. To facilitate this, select a time when few distractions are anticipated, and when you yourself feel reasonably ready. These exercises are also to be continued during the day, as often as possible. The shorter applications consist of repeating the idea slowly as you survey either your inner or outer world. It does not matter which you choose. Now, look about you and repeat, I have invented the world I see. Repeat it to yourself again as you look about slowly. I have invented the world I see. And one more time. Now close your eyes. Repeat the idea to yourself as often as you wish for the next several minutes, as thoughts come into your awareness and as you let the thoughts go from your awareness. I have invented the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see, because I have invented the world I see. I have invented the world I see. I have invented the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see because I invented the world I see. Continue on for about another 60 seconds or so. Okay. This concludes Lesson 32. Remember to revisit this exercise one more time in the evening before the end of the day. The idea for today should also be applied immediately to any situation that may distress you. Apply the idea by telling yourself, I have invented this situation as I see it.